We'll talk about the beef first. This is Nature Source Prime. This is the front piece of a New York strip, or what they call a 0x1 strip. See, there's really nice marbling
Beautiful.
in it. Yeah, it looks really nice. A nice piece of meat. So I'm just going to trim it up and show you how we can cut steaks out of it. Generally, when you get a 0x1 strip, this is what it looks like. It has a nice piece of fat on it. And really, it's just completely up to you how you want to, how much fat you want to take on or leave off. I mean, you can really cut this into steaks and, leave a lot of the fat on it. And a lot of people do. And it's, I prefer to have some fat. I don't like a really overly clean, austere steak. I mean, it should have some fat to it. So we're just trimming down a little bit. And the good thing about a prime piece of meat is all the fat is very succulent and soft.
Right.
You don't end up with a lot of nervy fat or anything. So, and that's where you really see the difference.
Nice.
The bottom, I think we could just trim a little tiny bit off the bottom. And this is just like a nice slicing knife, fairly sharp.
Yeah, very sharp. What would you do with these trimmings? Anything in
You
particular?
can, honestly, I mean, at work, we grill them off and the guys make tacos with them and stuff. You can make
Staff meal?
sauce with them. You can take the trimmings and make beef tartare with it. I mean, it's beautiful beef,
Nice.
so.
Don't want to waste anything.
Once we're down to this part, I mean, we could just pretty much cut our steaks and, everybody expects a fairly big steak. So I just cut
huge.
that off just to make it a little straight. People like big steaks, when
Yeah.
you go to steakhouses. So this will be like a 12, I think.
Wow,
And there you go. That's nice. That's a 14 to 16 now.
that's gorgeous.
That's a nice looking steak.
She's
I'll
a
cut one
beaut.
more. Yeah, it really is. So here we have two nice boneless New York strip steaks.